Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You're watching the fourth match in round 2. Scores are Denbigh on 26, Wolmer's boys on 39. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast, clear answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. Bible knowledge. How old was Joshua, the son of Denbigh?
110 years old. 110 years old.
Correct. Biology. What is the more common name for the metacarpophalangeal Denbigh?
Metacarpal wrist.
Incorrect. Knuckle or knuckles. English language. Spell aghast. Denbigh.
Can I spell it? A-G-H-A-S-T.
Good. Local affairs of Visual 1 teams. Look at the following clip. Identify this person, please. Wolmer's boys.
Moreland Wilson.
Government MP. Correct. Chemistry. What is the atomic number of Denbigh?
Selenium. 34.
Good. Music and audio clue. Listen to the following clip and identify this duo. That's Outcast. General knowledge. How many pieces are in a normal set of Wolmer's boys?
28.
In dominoes, correct. Spanish. Translate this sentence to English. Ella es nuestra abuela.
She is grandmother.
Wolmer's boys.
She is our grandmother. She is our grandmother.
That's right. Geography. In which country are the grasslands known Denbigh?
Russia.
Incorrect. As the Downs, Australia. Theatre and cinema of Visual question teams. Look at the following clip. Identify this person, please. Wolmer's boys.
Ethan Hawke.
Correct. Information technology. Which 2 keys are a shortcut for paste? Wolmer's boys.
Control and V.
In Microsoft Word, correct. History. In what month and year was Martin Luther King Jr. assassinated? Denbigh.
Month and year. April 1968.
Good. Mathematics. What is the tangent of 60 degrees? Denbigh.
That is root 3.
Insert form. Correct. Physics. Is torque a vector or a scalar? Wolmer's boys.
Vector.
Correct. Sport of visual. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Denbigh.
Adams.
Okay, Che Adams, judges Southampton striker. Adams was given Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Puddin'camp. Denbigh.
Without fire.
Correct. French. What is the English translation for Il pleuvait dimanche dernier? Wolmer's boys.
He cried last Sunday.
No, it was raining last Sunday. Literature. From what Shakespearean play is the quote, "An honest tale speeds best being plainly told"? Richard III. The 17th century work, The Night Watch, was created. Wolmer's boys.
Rembrandt.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Was Eleazar the son of Levi, Moses, or Wolmer's boys?
Aaron.
Correct. Biology. What is another name for the lower jaw in Denbigh?
Mandible.
Right. English language. Change this sentence to the present continuous tense. The boys play cricket in the summer. Denbigh.
The boys will be playing cricket in the summer.
Was that your answer? The boys are playing cricket in the summer. Local and international affairs. Who is the Prime Minister of the Netherlands? Wolmer's boys.
Mark Rutte.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the oxidation state of nitrogen? Denbigh.
-3.
+4. Music. What is the stage name of Jamaican reggae and dancehall singer Calvin Scott? Wolmer's boys.
Cocotee.
Correct. General knowledge. Scandinavia is a region in the northern section of which continent? Wolmer's boys.
Europe.
Good. Spanish. What ordinal number is quadrage? Wolmer's boys.
This is 40th.
Quadragesimo. Correct. Geography. And that is the end of the final challenge and indeed the end of this match. Scores look to be Denbigh on 30 points, Wolmer's boys on 61. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.